In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a business presentation, a class project, or any other type of slide deck, having a table can help you organize information neatly and clearly. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your presentation. Start by navigating to Google Slides and open the presentation file where you'd like to insert a table. If you haven't created your presentation yet, you can open a new one and begin from there. Once you have your presentation open, take a moment to select the slide where you want your table to appear. Click on the specific slide in the slide navigation pane on the left side of your screen. This ensures that the table is inserted exactly where you want it. Now it's time to insert the table. Start by clicking on the Insert menu located at the top of your screen. This menu gives you various options for adding different elements to your slide. Hover over the Table option. You'll see a grid that allows you to select the number of rows and columns for your table. Simply drag your mouse over the grid to highlight how many rows and columns you need. Google Slides allows you to create a table with up to 20 cells. Once you've selected the desired size, click, and your table will pop right into your slide. Once your table is on the slide, you might need to make some adjustments. To resize the table, click on it to select it. You'll notice blue squares at the corners and edges. These are your resizing handles. Click and drag these squares to adjust the size of the table to fit your slide better. You might also want to change the dimensions of individual rows and columns. To do this, click and drag the borders between the rows or columns. This allows you to fine-tune the layout and ensures that your information fits well. If you need to combine multiple cells, merging is a simple operation. Select the cells you want to merge by clicking and dragging over them. Then, right-click and choose Merge Cells. This is useful for making headers or combining similar data points. To change a cell's background color, select the cells you want to modify. Click the Fill Color icon in the toolbar and choose a color from the palette. This feature helps to differentiate sections of your table or highlight particular data. Lastly, you can adjust the border color and width to enhance visibility. Select the cells whose borders you wish to modify. Click the Border Color icon in the toolbar and select your preferred color. Then use the Border Width icon to adjust thickness as needed. That's it. You now know how to insert and customize a table on Google Slides, making your presentation more structured and engaging. Experiment with these options to find a style that suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.